baking up a pizza margherita on my newly revised sourdough pizza dough recipe. This dough you can use the same day, which is exactly what I'm doing here. We'll see how it bakes up the pizza margherita. That's my benchmark pizza, always to give a test of a new dough, or just, you know, any day. Marg every day is how we live around here, so I'm down with it any day of the week. And this one's looking fire so far. You know, same day on this dough. What do we expect to see a little different? I'm thinking I'll see probably not as much of that really distinct leoparding. Our fermentation's a little bit earlier in the game, but I think it should brown up really nice, and the flavor should be really good. I'm thinking about a first turn here. Peeping around the corner here, you can see it kind of start lifting up, looking really nice. The cheese starting up. I'm seeing leoparding popping up, so fermentation must have gone pretty well today. We're looking pretty good. Thinking about a first turn here, clearing the deck underneath, making sure I'm not stuck there. Look at that, looking nice. It looks so far so good. Look at that, really good here. Puffing up really nice, a good rise. Our matzah starting to melt into the pie, looking really good. My go-to bake, Ooni Koda 16. If you're new to Santa Barbara Baker here, I like to get this thing blazing up super hot, a full preheat. Full preheat, what does that mean? Go at least 30 minutes. After that, when you're stretching, or depending on how fast you are, when you're topping, turn that oven down to low. And that's what we got going on here. We're gonna go for more of like a 3-minute bake here. That's what you want on this dough. We're at 350 grams here. That's a little bit bigger dough ball, 67% hydration. So that means it's gonna take longer to bake, but we have that water in there, so it's gonna keep it, you know, nice and moist. Should be really delicious. This is baking up really nice so far. So good. I've been a fan of the ultra low zone if you've been watching my channel, but lately I've just been liking this bake where you do the full blast preheat, going at least 30 minutes, and then just kicking it into the normal low for the full bake. The browning has been better, I think. Whoa, watching it there, look at that. It looks really nice. Look at that, it's a little smoke coming off as this thing's, you know, we're approaching. I want to look for a more browning here that looks pale to me, but this pizza is looking beautiful. The crust, amazing. Look at that, so nice. I gotta watch it, make sure we're not burning here. Let's peep the bottom. Never refrigerated dough, always crisping up, baking really nice. Look at this thing, a beautiful pizza margherita. I think this thing might be almost finished. At this point, I'm just gonna keep it spinning, but look at that thing. So nice, look at the browning. Beautiful. I hope you guys dig this recipe. Let me know down in the comments when you start baking it up. Revise, it's a little simpler and better, I think, for the pizza I like. A little crispy exterior, tender interior, a little chew, but never too much. We still want it to be tender and have a hybrid Neapolitan. I don't even want to call it New York, but something, you know. We're just like an artisan style pizza. It's super delicious. Let's finish this thing up. I think it must be almost done because I smell it almost burning in some spots. Checking the bottom here. It looks really good. I don't know, maybe that back looks a little bit pale. I like mine a little brown. I think this is looking really good. All right, let's get it out of here before it burns. Check it out, the pizza margherita on the newly revised Santa Barbara Baker sourdough recipe. That's up on santabarbarabaker.com. I don't know if you guys can peep the bottom here. This pizza looks super beautiful. Gonna get it onto the rack. Or maybe can you get one more little peep going higher here? Can you guys see it down? Looking pretty good here. All right, we get it onto the rack. Let it hang out. And take a quick closer look at the pie before I head inside and slice it up. Look at this thing. It looks absolutely gorgeous, I think. What a beautiful pizza. Weighing in at 350 grams. You know, this thing's probably under 14 inches here, but the bake looks really nice. I don't want to lift it too much because I have all that beautiful tomato sauce on there, but it looks really nice on the bottom, I think. Bake overall, beautiful. Check out the recipe. It's up on santabarbarabaker.com, the newly revised sourdough pizza dough recipe. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And if you have any questions, check me out on Instagram. I'm Santa Barbara Baker on there. Hope you're dreaming about pizza, making lots of pizza. Keep those pizza dreams alive. I love you all. One love.